is a great partner exercise that works your core strength and coordination. To perform it, each person should hold a small ball, such as a medicine ball or exercise ball. One partner sits on the floor with legs extended and feet flexed. Hold the ball with both hands. The other partner stands facing them, ready to catch the ball. The sitting partner twists their upper body from side to side, throwing the ball to their partner each time. Be sure to rotate your whole torso when throwing. The standing partner catches the ball and throws it back for the next rep. Continue twisting and throwing back and forth between both sides. This exercise strengthens the abdominal muscles, shoulder and back muscles, and improves balance and body control when coordinating the catch and throw with a partner. Aim for 10 to 15 reps on each side, for 2 to 3 sets per session. Let me know if you need any clarification or have additional questions.